First impressions matter, and the MacBook Air M3 delivers. Imagine a laptop that redefines speed and portability at the same time. A device so powerful it can handle everything from 4K video editing to even 1080p gaming, all while fitting effortlessly into your backpack. This 15-inch model retains Apple's iconic unibody aluminum chassis, refined to a razor-thin 11.5mm profile, even slimmer than the 14-inch MacBook Pro. Well, at 3.3 pounds, it's shockingly light for a 15-inch device, rivaling many of the 13-inch competitors. The M3 chip is built on a cutting-edge 3nm process, featuring a 8-core CPU with 4 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, and a 10-core GPU with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, and a 16-core neural engine optimized for those AI tasks. This will translate to 20% faster CPU performance than the M2, 60% faster than the M1, 13 times faster than the last Intel-based MacBook Air. Gaming? Well, Apple's game porting toolkit is a game changer. Titles like Resident Evil Village and Baldur's Gate 3 ran at 1080p 60fps on medium settings. Well, this is a first for MacBooks in this class. If AAA title gaming is your priority, Windows laptops with dedicated GPUs still hold the crown. At just 11.5mm thick and weighing around 3.3 pounds, that is 1.51 kgs, it's impressively portable for a 15-inch laptop. It's available in Midnight, Starlight, Space Gray and Silver color options. The Midnight color option features an anodized seal to reduce smudges and fingerprints. The Liquid Retina display is a standout here. At 2880 by 1864 resolution and 500 nits of peak brightness, that P3 wide color gamut make it an ideal for creative workflows, media consumptions, marathon coding sessions. And yes, it's still completely fanless. Apple's 18-hour battery claim. In our stress testing, brightness at 75%, slag, zoom and 15 Chrome tabs running all at the same time, it lasted around 14.5 hours. And that's still class leading, outperforming Dell's XPS 15 and Microsoft Surface Laptop 5 by 3+ hours of battery time. MagSafe 3 charging, you get a full day's power in just 30 minutes. A dual USB-C Thunderbolt 4 port remains a limitation for pros needing that HDMI or the SD card slots, but the 15-inch footprint finally makes multitasking on the go feel spacious. The Air's value hinges on its balance. At $1,499 base price, it's $500 cheaper than the 16-inch MacBook Pro M3 variant. You lose ProMotion, a dedicated cooling fan and some ports, but what you gain is unmatched portability. Buy the Air M3 15-inch if you prioritize weight and battery life over sustained peak performance. Your workflow involves light to moderate video and photo editing, coding, or just simple multitasking of day-to-day life. Silence and sleek design are non-negotiable for you. Upgrade to the MacBook Pro M3 if what you need is a 120Hz ProMotion display, 32GB of RAM or external display support. So, is the MacBook Air M3 15-inch the best laptop for 2025? Well, for most users, absolutely yes. It's Apple's most compelling ultra-portable yet the bleeding-edge pro-tier performance with all-day endurance in a chassis that defies physics literally. Well, if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your squad, drop your comments below. Are you team MacBook Air or Pro? Let us know your workflow and we'll help you decide if you need our help, that is. And definitely subscribe for those unbiased tech deep dives. Well, until next time, stay curious.